Hello cooks! Today we are going to be making vegetable egg fried rice, which is mind-blowingly tasty. First, you want to chop off 1 white onion to give it a crisp flavor. Then chop off 2 carrots for a spindly sweet flavor. Chop off some bell pepper, which is slightly crunchy. You want to chop off some ginger to give it up a sharp flavor. Chop up some garlic for a pungent flavor. Sizzle. After that, you want to sizzle up some oil into your pan. Then add all the ingredients that you chopped off, like the onion, the carrots, the bell pepper, ginger, and garlic. Make sure to stir in between every 2 ingredients to make sure it does not burn, and even cooking. Add 2 ingredients at a time. Don't rush it. To give more veggies to the dish. Mix it around well. Schezwan sauce to give it a bold, spicy, and tangy flavor. Then add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce for a savory, rich flavor. After that, crack 3 eggs into the pan and mix well until it looks like a scrambled egg filling. Like a scrambled egg filling. Add rice to the pan and mix very slowly. Add 1 spoon of chili oil to give it a spicy kick. Mix well. You have to add a bit of sugar for a rich taste. Add some salt for balanced tastes. Mix very, very well. After that, you can sprinkle some fresh spring onion and cilantro onto the rice. Mix very well, and after that, you have to put it into a bowl. And ta-da! You have a wonderful, flavorful, yummy vegetable egg fried rice. Must try!